I was born and raised in Florida, and I was making furniture, and wood was very hard to get down there. So I moved to North Carolina in 1972, and I bought a sawmill and started sawing lumber and making different products out of it. Well, starting to make bats, I had collected autographs for years, and I wanted to get some baseball bats signed. And I said, well, I've got a woodworking shop. I'll just start making my own bats, and then I will get them signed. And that's how I started making baseball bats. And the players thought they were beautiful, and I made them out of walnut and cherry and different kinds of wood. And so they said I needed to go to Major League Baseball and get approved so that I could, make a bat for them to use in a game. And that's what I did. I went and got approved, and then it just started, and that was it.
My dad's always been talented, especially with wood. He just thinks you can craft anything out of it. And from the time I was a kid to just this morning, he's calling me or talking to me about different types of wood we could use or what we could build with it, and he's always thinking one step ahead. And he always wants to do that with his hands, right? It's the handcrafted part of this that makes my life and my relationship with him so special, because I can remember being a kid making products with him, and then now I'm making products with him. I'm still always learning because he has this passion for perfection, and it's really passed that on to me, and I'm excited to bring that passion into our company and help it grow. And I know my dad started the bat company back in '93, but I'm excited to see it all the way through. We decided to fire Young Bat Company back up in 2017. So we're only about a year and a half into our growth. But 2018, we laid a solid foundation and built a lot of partnerships with people all around the world. And now we're excited for 2019 and those relationships continuing to grow and spread. And we're looking at big box retailers, MLB stadiums, and a variety of other partners that are wanting to be a part of our team and our culture and see us grow. So the future is bright for us. Outside of my dad and I, we have a great team. We've got John, who's the master of everything. He can hand cut any product that we need. He can fix any machine that's broken. He's the master of all special projects. When we've got something, we give it to John, and before you know it, he's created a prototype for it. We're lucky to have him on the team. We've got Cody, who designs every aspect of any product that we have that goes out the door. He works with the customers hand in hand to make sure that they get just what they want. Not only is he using Photoshop and a design program for our laser, but he hand paints every product that comes out the door. We've got Andrew, who he hand finishes all of the products. So that perfect finish, Andrew's putting that touch on it every single day. And he also does a variety of other things. He's a utility player. He's out there sawing, cutting, does a little bit of everything. And then we've got a variety of other players who come in on large orders or special orders, and they each bring a skill set. But the one thing that's common between all of us is our bond. We're all like family. We've known each other since we were kids. We all enjoy working together. We hang out after work together. We might grab a beer, watch a basketball game or a baseball game. It's a great place to work. We're in this all together, and we're excited to see where we can go. At Young Bat Company, our core philosophy is quality products that are handcrafted. I mean, we even say mountain made. It's got an extra touch to it that everything that we do is of the highest quality out there in the market. So our process starts at the log. We're stacking them, sorting them based on the wood variation, and then we're pulling them down to the mill. When we're using our mill, we're looking for a particular part of the tree. The end goal is to end up with something that's a 3x3 by anywhere between 40 to 42 inch long piece. From the slabs, we go to our drying process, which has an outside airborne drying process and also a kiln drying process. Once we go from there, it's over to our Hawker Dayton. What we're doing is we're going from a square billet to a round dowel. And what we're looking for is 2 3/4 in diameter. Then we cut it, weigh it, and grade it, which are all part of the same process. After that, we sort all our wood and stack it. And then based on orders, we're pulling particular weights of wood to fill those orders. Once we've got those billets in our hands, we're looking for the right pattern to put in our lathe, running those bats through our lathe to then our sander. From our sander, we go to the finishing process, which has everything from our water-based finish that we use to paint and custom designs on those bats. From there, we go to our laser engraving, which that process details everything that a customer would need. From there, we box it up and ship it out to the customer. And normally, I'm the one who's doing the shipping to the customers, writing a handwritten note and sending them on their way.
The future of Young Bat Company is something that it can get as big as we want it to. It is growing just incredible in the amount of time since we've re-jump started it. It's just every day something happens, something great, get a new contract. And who is responsible for that is everybody out in the shop. I'm helping as much as I can, but they have worked hard on it. Tom, Cody, everybody out there, and they have really made it what it is, and it's just getting better every day.